Yes. Nice. Dude, we fucking won. Oh shit. Again, dude. Yeah. Shit, yeah, dude. Fucking left him. Fuck yeah, dude. Dude, I'm pretty sure you with your fucking Eclipse with the headers would fucking keep up. Fuck, dude. Shit. I know, dude. Fucking next week, dude. Fuck. Shit, dude. That was fucking intense. Huh? Dude, I didn't even fucking know. Yeah, maybe, yeah. Alright. Oh shit. Fucking smoked and beat him, huh?
Did you see how I fucking brought the
Fucking street racers or
Dude, did you see how I burned out a second?
You burned out?
Yeah, dude. Oh my god, dude, that shit was insane.
Damn. It's fucking intense, dude. This is fucking YouTube material here. Oh shit, is that? Oh, it's Dave with the Civic.
Oh shit.
Oh shit. Damn. Accurate.